The activities for movement. They're going to be your red cards. So they look like this. They're outlined in red. This is the first part of the sensory diet. It's movement. It's for those kids who are seeking movement, are up and moving throughout your class, which is a lot of them. So here are some great activities to start your sensory diet. We'll transition to some other ones, but always start with the movement. Get these kids moving. So just to explain some of the activities, you can do basic walking, running, going up and down the stairs, skipping, hopping, jumping. You can do spot to spot jump. So where they're jumping maybe on letters on the floor, they're naming the letter, the sound. You can put sight words on the floor for reading, math equations. There's so much you can do with hopping. So that's really great way to, I say, power up the move. You can do things like animal walks. So there's bear walk, crab walk. There's so many different types of animal walks, bunny hops, frog jumps, really cool ways that you can incorporate animals and play into these type of activities. Figure 8 walk, that's one of the sensory paths on the second floor. Bouncing on a ball, so nice therapy ball, bouncing on a ball. There's one where upside down toss, they take a beanbag and kind of like in football, they do a snap. So they're putting their head down and they're throwing it to you behind you. They can be counting while they do it. That's upside down toss. Cross crawls, this is where one knee's coming up, the opposite arm's going up, and they're reaching. So this is a great way to incorporate crossing the midline. I also am going to include blank ones. So blank is really great. If you start finding ones that you like, or your student wants to be really creative and create their own, you have a blank. So you're able to write in, draw a picture. It's laminated, so you could add your own. Backward walking is another really good one for coordination. Scooter board. If we can't get you a scooter board, a teacher chair. That's a really great movement. I would suggest staying forward and backwards. Don't do any side to side irregular movement. But yeah, hopping on one foot, that's another good one. So those are our red movement activities for our sensory diet. Thanks.